Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to set a work profile on Android. The first thing that you want to do here is to access your settings. So go ahead and open up Settings. From here, you want to scroll down a bit until you see the section for Google. You need to choose Google. From here, just click on All Services and then scroll down to the end. You'll see a section that says Set up your work profile. Just click on that. From here, it's going to give you some information about setting up your work profile. But for now, let's just click on Next. From here, you'll be able to scan the code provided by your IT admin. If you don't have a photo or don't want to take one for this, or if you'd rather not record a video, you can either enter the code manually. Just click on Enter Code Manually, and from here, you'll be able to enter the code yourself. That was how you set up your work profile on Android. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.